Hey, what's up, YouTube? Hope everybody is having a wonderful Saturday. And I'm actually having a good Saturday so far because I'm usually off well, I usually work on Saturday, but I got the day off and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with my Saturday. Well, part of it. Well, go out here to the car. Today, I'm gonna be playing with the Ford Escort. And it's a beautiful car, isn't it? I know. But the car, yeah, I bought this car for $700. I had to use it for work, and I've had this car for about for about 3 or 4 months now, maybe 5 months, but I forgot exactly when I got it. But as you guys can see, it's very nasty on the inside, and it's been like this since I bought it. I haven't really cleaned it out, but look at the console there. It's like real dirty on the console. Let me get real close. You guys can see that there. But the main problem with this car is it leaks gas. That's the main problem with it. And as of right now, I don't really have a fix for it. Couldn't get anybody to fix it. Well, I guess I'll take it down to Ford sometime and let them look at it. But the main problem on the inside of this car is, as you can see, it's a bit of mold has collected here on the seats. Very nasty mold, which is definitely not safe to breathe while you're driving. So when I actually have to clean that out, I'm gonna be spending part of my Saturday and day off doing that. I mainly use this car well, I don't really use it to work anymore, but I mainly use it to haul shit, pretty much. And it's mainly what the car is used for now, because of course I drive that sexy beast back there. But that's what I'm gonna be doing with my Saturday. And I post some pictures, let you guys see what it looks like when I'm done with it. And that's it for this video. Just wanted to get on and make a quick video since I got some time off. And with that said, hope you guys are enjoying your Saturday. Hope you guys got some great things going on. And oh yeah, well, I got the Camaro in the view there. Want to say something about some things that's been going on online, and that is with the new Camaros, the 2019s, and the hate that those cars are getting. And I myself, I'm not a big fan of the 2019s, but that's where it ends. I mean, I don't get online and harass and mock people for buying something that they enjoy. And I don't think anybody should be getting on the forums or getting on the Facebook groups and mocking those guys and making fun of them for just buying a car, making a purchase. but I don't think it's really necessary, pretty much. So there's a dog there. Hey man, what kind of dog is that? What kind of dog is that? A who?
Boxer.
A boxer? All right, bro. Yeah, but as I was saying, yeah, I mean, you shouldn't jump online and make fun of those guys just because they made a purchase. I mean, the car looks, the 2019 looks decent. It's not the worst thing in the world, but come on, guys, it's still a Camaro, and it's still part of the Chevy family. Unfortunately, they went with that body style, but I mean, what can we do now? I mean, that's the decision that GM made, and we just have to live with it. But with that said, guys, I'm gonna get out of here and go get some supplies and clean that filthy car out. And until the next video, I'm out.